2016 Hyundai Elantra with the 1.84 cylinder, and today I'm going to be going over replacing the drive belt. Let's get to it. Alright, first step is on the top of the alternator. We've got a bolt right here. You need to break that bolt loose because on these vehicles the alternator doubles as the tensioner for the drive belt. So again, we're just breaking this bolt loose. You do not need to remove it. We just need it loose so that when we loosen the alternator will pivot down, putting slack on the drive belt. Next, the lower bolt right down here. See if I can't get a good angle on this. This bolt right here is a 12mm, and that bolt also needs to be broken loose. Let's give that one a couple of spins. And last but not least, you have the actual tensioner head right here. Right there, and that is a 12mm as well. And the tensioning bolt down here is pretty long, so if you got a power tool, probably a good time to use it. You can see our tensioner moving down nice and easily like so. Make sure you don't back this out too far though, but that'll give us plenty of slack in our belt. Remove it, and then you just take it off of the AC compressor and off of the main crank, and then just slide it off of the water pump, and there you have your drive belt. Nice and easy. And for reference, when installing your new drive belt, here is your drive belt diagram for the 1.8 engine in this vehicle. Up top, they're calling it the generator, but that's basically just your alternator, AC compressor, your water pump, and your crankshaft right here. And this is the diagram that it goes on. Once it's on, just tighten up your alternator in the reverse process that we just loosened it on, and you'll be golden. If this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you next time.